Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a shotgun with the Rubik's Twist. So pretty much you're going to count 1, 2 blocks, and turn the third block down twice. Alright, now count 1, 2, and turn the third block like that. Count 1 block, turn the second block up, so it looks like that. Alright, count 1, 2, and turn this third block to the right, like this. Now count 1, 2 again, turn this up. Alright, count 1, 2 again, and then turn this. Alright, count 1, and then turn it again. And then count 1, 2, turn it again. So it looks like that. Count 1, 2 again, and turn it, so holding it like this, count 1, 2, and turn it to the left. Alright, now count 1, 2, turn it to times 1, turn it to times 1, 2, turn it twice, 1, and turn it to twice, times, and you're done. So that is how you make the shotgun, and you can hold it like that, and then at the front, and then pew pew pew. So that's pretty much how you make the shotgun. If you like it, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it, and goodbye, see you in my next video.